Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to book a UK practical driving test. Book your partial driving test for cars, motorcycles, lorries, buses and coaches and approved driving instructor or ADI Part 2 and 3 test. To book a test online, you'll be put in a queue when you start booking your driving test. Then, you'll be told how long you'll need to wait once you begin. This is faster than booking by phone because the phone lines are very busy at the moment. You can book a test up to 24 weeks in the future. There is no waiting list or cancellation list. Before you start, you need your UK driving license number, credit or debit card, and driving instructor's personal reference number if you want to check if they're available. You can check the cost of your driving test before you start. You must have lived in England, Wales, or Scotland for at least 185 days in the last 12 months before the day you take your test. There is a different service to book your driving test in Northern Ireland. You can check for earlier appointment after you've booked. These are sometimes called cancellation appointment. You must call the Driver and Vehicle Standard Agency or DVSA if you need an upgrade test, such as an automatic to manual car or medium-sized lorry to a large lorry. Once you have all the required information, you can proceed to book the test. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.